In Vedic math, there is a concept called doubling and halving. It is a very powerful concept for day-to-day mental math improvement. You will find its use in addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. If you have to divide any number with 5 or multiply any number with 5 or 50 or 500, etc., concept will be very handy. In Math2Shine, we start the concept from level 2 and this concept will be going till level 5. All these levels have some application of doubling and halving. Let us double number 833. Typically what we do in our day-to-day life, we double 800, then we double 30 and we double 3 and we add it up and our answer comes. Some people can instantly do it, some people can think and do it. However, if we have to do it instantly and we start thinking digit by digit, we double 8, it becomes 16, we double 10's 3 or 30, it becomes 6, and the next one, we again double next 3, it again becomes 6. We combine these things and our answer becomes 1666. Similarly, if we have to double this number, we will double 5, it becomes 10, 2 will become 4, it becomes 104, and 1 will become 2. So 1042 will be my answer in this case. I'm just skipping some steps here, trying to do it mentally. This question is unique. I want to double 392. Frankly, in Vedic math, there are many ways of doing it. But if you want to do it simple, straightforward way, we double 6 here. We double 9 here. When we double 9, it becomes 18. So actually in 10, you get 1 here as well, which we have to adjust. And we double 2, which becomes 4. Now, we combine these two numbers. We start from right to left or left to right. Any way we can start. So let us start from left to right because this is the way we actually think, speak about numbers. So we take 6 and add this 1 which is coming off from the next level and write it as it. 784 is my answer. If you will try to do few worksheets of Math2Shine, the concept will easily go into your mind and your doubling will become very fast, which will be further used by you in so many situations in our day-to-day life. Thank you.